Welcome to my session today. In today's session, we are going to learn how to use TikTok Studio. So my presentation is going to be grouped in 3 sessions. So the first session, we are going to learn how to get or download the application. The second series, we are going to learn how to install it. The third part, we are going to learn how to log in with our TikTok account. And then the final part, we will learn how to set it up and use it. So the first series, as I said, we are going to learn how to download the application. So first of all, you launch your browser if you are using Mac or Windows. Then you go to Google and then you search for TikTok Studio for PC. TikTok Studio for PC. And then you use the first link here that says Download Live Studio. Now it will take you to this interface. So we have 2 sessions to download the application. We have one up here and then we have one also down here for Windows users. For Mac users, you are going to see the little Mac arrow, the Apple arrow, logo here. Click here and then you see the 2 options. We have the Apple Silicon and then Intel. So regarding on the PC that you are using, if you are using the Apple Silicon, you click on the Apple Silicon. If you are using the Intel, you click on the Intel. But for my tutorials this morning, we are going to download it as a Windows device because I'm using Windows machine. So you click on Download for Windows. Download for Windows. And then you can begin your download. Now our download is ready. Our download is ready. And then that is the session. In our next series, I'm going to guide you on how to install the application. Thank you.